So when I first came into the Edge Fabrication Lab, I was just, really amazed at how much resources there were, and yeah, there was just so many things and so many people as well, just doing different things. I like laser cutting keyboards or designing keyboards. So I can use the laser cutter to laser cut acrylic, which I then use to sandwich up into like a design or a keyboard. And then I use that casing to make an actual keyboard that I can type on. And I can plug into my computer and all that. One day I was just browsing the internet for computer peripherals or whatever. I actually saw like this RGB keyboard, and being the teenager I was like flashy lights. That looked so cool. At the time, I tried contacting actual fabrication places and facilities that had laser cutters, but they wouldn't do little cuts for like small projects or anything. I put a post on like the Facebook group for keyboards saying, does anyone in Brisbane know or have access to a laser cutter? Within like 10 minutes, I got a reply from someone saying, yeah, the State Library of Queensland has a fabrication lab that you can use. You just need to do an induction and then you can start laser cutting. So I was just a little blown away at the start. Nearly forgot that I wanted to make a keyboard because I just wanted to, use as many things as I could. There was just so many people doing so many little projects, so that in a sense that it was just a community of people just doing different things. One Thursday night I came to the hack evening and then I saw different people, like people working on like Bluetooth devices and solenoids and all these programming things, which I was thinking about how I could incorporate into my projects as well. They helped give me ideas and help me just understand things better. Once I finished maybe laser cutting keyboards, I was thinking CNCing keyboards because they have a really nice big CNC machine in the fabrication lab. But I'd like to work with make actual 3D things. So I know there's like 3D printers and stuff in there. So I can move away from actual sandwiching to a nice round object.